Google makes it possible to pay with Shiba Inu coins. You will soon have a lot of money. Google showed its support for cryptocurrencies by letting people pay for cloud services with Dogecoin, Shiba Inu coin, and other cryptocurrencies. Google's support for cryptocurrencies could make them more useful and help them spread. Today, we're going to talk about why Google stores now accept Shiba Inu coins. So, watch this video all the way through because the video for today is going to be bomb. We're glad you stopped by. Shiba is your daily dose. This is the place to be if you are interested in everything about Shiba. Subscribe if you want to stay on top of all the SHIB news predictions and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. You should check out this site. Before we talk about our topic, let's look at the chart and see what's going on with the price of Shiba on October 21. Shiba Inu price analysis has shown that the market is on the rise. Also, the volatility of the market seems to be going up, which makes the price of Shiba Inu more likely to go up and down. Because of this, the upper limit of the Bollinger Bands is at 1,177 cents, which is also where the SHIB faces the most resistance. On the other hand, the lower limit of the Bollinger Band is 985 cents, which is the SHIB's strongest support. The SHIB/USD price seems to cross under the moving average, which is a sign of a downward trend. So, the price seems to keep going up, which shows that the market is always growing. Last, a price tries to break through the resistance band, which could cause the market to turn around. Shiba Inu price analysis shows that the relative strength index RSI scores 39, which means that the cryptocurrency is slightly undervalued. In addition, the RSI is below the lower neutral area. So, going in an upward direction shows that things are getting better and that buying is the main activity. Shiba Inu price analysis shows that the market has entered a full bullish trend, which leaves room for a reversal. Also, the bulls have started to control the market, and they are likely to keep the control. So, the market has a huge amount of room for more business to grow. SHIB is becoming more stable and worth more. Also, since the market is expected to break, we can assume that the bulls will soon take care of the market. Let's get back to the subject. Google worked with Coinbase to let people pay for its cloud services with cryptocurrencies, even though Google thinks crypto is bad. Before June 2021, the tech giant said it was rethinking a policy that would let it support cryptocurrencies. Google will start taking cryptocurrency payments in the beginning of 2023. The tech giant said at its next conference that it would start accepting cryptocurrency payments in the Google Cloud and that it would help make this happen by integrating with Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges. Crypto payments will first be made available to a small number of customers in the Web3 industry. Only then will they be made available to more people. Thomas Kurian, the CEO of Google Cloud, was quoted as saying, "We want to make building in Web3 faster and easier, and this partnership with Coinbase helps developers get one step closer to that goal." Google's plans to use Coinbase's custody service are now public. In addition to accepting cryptocurrencies as payment, the tech giant Coinbase Prime has recently added a number of crypto-related features and services. When you look up an address on Google, you can see how much money is in an Ethereum wallet. Through its partnership with BNB Chain, Google Cloud helps Web3 and blockchain startups in their early stages grow. The co-founder and CEO of Coinbase, Ryan Armstrong, said, "We couldn't have asked for a better partner to help us build a trusted bridge into the Web3 ecosystem." In general, an analyst at the investment bank Oppenheimer thinks that as the crypto economy grows, more partnerships will form in the crypto ecosystem. So, Coinbase has the chance to be more than just an exchange for cryptocurrencies. It could be a platform for all kinds of digital assets. Kyburn just said that they are going to add a new skill to the Kyburn Radio app for iOS, Android, and Alexa. The app will make the SHIB's burn rate go up even more. It has already gone up a lot in the last few weeks. Surprisingly, Kyburn showed that more than 1.36 million SHIB were burned in the last 24 hours. All of these changes help the SHIB ecosystem and will have an effect on its price in the days to come. As of the end of last week, SHIB had gained 3%, which is a good gain. At the time of writing, however, the all had gone down by 6% in the last week. At the time of going to press, SHIB was trading at 1,175 cents and had a market cap of $6,450,286,234. The effects of the merge, which drove down the prices of several altcoins, could be a big reason for this drop. But a drop in price was also caused by a number of other factors. As an example, the number of daily active addresses and the market value realized value both went down. These can be seen as signs that the price will go down more in the days to come. Also, Kucoin's data showed that net deposits on exchanges were higher than the average for the past 7 days. This could mean that there is more pressure on the market to sell. Still, a few metrics also showed that the trend was changing as the SHIB's exchange reserve kept going down. This could be a sign that there is less pressure to sell. Also, SHIB's social activity has gone up a lot in the last week. This showed that the crypto community was getting more interested in memecoin. The SHIB's daily chart showed a confusing situation, with some market indicators pointing to a downtrend and others to a possible trend reversal. The exponential moving average EMA ribbon had a bearish crossover, which makes it more likely that the price will go down soon. Moving average convergence divergence also showed a bearish edge in the market, so it added to the same picture. But the relative strength index, or RSI, and the Chaikin money flow, or CMF, gave some relief as they went slightly up. Shibarium's creator, Unification, has also shared some important new information about the upcoming Shiba Inu Layer 2 protocol. This includes details about the X fund and a Shiba swap bonus. A statement from the Unification Foundation says that plans for the 4th alpha and public testnets of the coming protocol are still going well. The announcement also confirms that these testnets will be up and running by the end of September or soon after. Unification wants to remind everyone that the deadline for final claims of funds is August 22. The Unification Foundation was able to create the last X fund and set a maximum claim period of 1 month, which will end on September 22, 2022. After this date, the smart contract will burn any X fund tokens that haven't been claimed. Unification also says that the final supply might be less than the first number of tanks planned, and it says that as of the time this was written, the supply was 9,888. Some X funds from the Shiba swap bonus can't be claimed until next year. The announcement says that even though the smart contract will burn any leftover X funds, unclaimed tokens from the Shiba swap and X fund yield portals will be available for withdrawal until early 2023. Depending on the outcome of a planned governance proposal, the money from X will go to the Unification Community Fund. Tokens will be used to reward participants and community members who come up with new ideas and do other things to help the network grow. The main focus of the first public beta testnet will be on developers and delegators so that the network is ready for everyone when it goes live. The announcement also says that the upcoming public beta will fine-tune the process of fixing bugs and open testing to make sure the main launch is safe. Also, all validators who want to can take part in the beta test before the mainnet launch. So much for today. Also, we'd like to point out that this is not a channel designed